We have moved on to counting coins and counting money. The first biggest thing I had told them when they are counting coins, if it's given them just kind of a handful of coins and they're not in an order, to try and put them in order of greatest value to least value. So you're starting with your quarters and then counting the dimes if you have them, and then the nickels and then the pennies. However, first of all, counting by 25s is hard for them, and we've tried to kind of memorize 25, 50, 75, 100. But when they have to jump from counting by 25s to count by 10s to then count by 5s and then count by 1s, there's a struggle there for them having to flip that switch in their mind. So I've taught them 2 tricks to kind of help them with that. The first trick, we called it hairy money. And we talked about each hair that the money gets is worth 5 cents. So our quarters are going to get 5 hairs, our dimes are going to get 2 hairs, and our nickel's going to get 1 hair, and our penny's just bald. He gets no hair. So here on my quarter, I'm going to give him 5 hairs. My dime gets 2 hairs, my nickel gets 1 hair, and my penny gets no hairs. So when I count them, and this is easier, the book wants them counting and showing their thinking as they go, and I'll show you the easier way to do that. But in general, when they're trying to count coins and come up with just a value at the end, this way works really well. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, and then 71. So I have a total of 71 cents. And again, that works really well when they're just counting it and then having to come up with an end total, kind of showing their thinking. Complicates that strategy a little bit, but as we move on in our worksheets and on our tests, our unit test, it'll have more of, here's some coins, what is their value? Or in their word problems, when they're trying to come up with the value of, I have 2 quarters, a dime, 2 nickels, and a penny, how much money do I have? This strategy works really well. The other strategy that we have talked about is trying to get them to write the coin value in the face of the coin. So I have a quarter worth 25, a nickel worth 5, a nickel worth 5, 2 more nickels worth 5, and pennies worth 1. Again, this one works really well for showing their thinking. So I have 25 cents to start. Then I'm going to add 5 to that 25. So 25 plus 5 is 30. 30, 5 more is going to be 35. 5 more is going to be 40. 40 and 5 is going to equal 45. 1 more makes it 46. 1 more makes it 47 for a grand total of 47 cents. And I am trying to get them to remember to add that denomination of cents or dollars. We talked about it's a big difference. If I said, give me 5, and I meant 5 cents, but you give me $5, you've given me $4.95 more than what you had to give me. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.